Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a Bitcoin update. And now Bitcoin is at 96,076 at the moment. So I'm going to tell you a very important place or a very important update right now, that what is exactly going to happen for Bitcoin moving forward. Now this at the moment we have a trend line on the 4-hour time frame where Bitcoin has respected it one time and bounced off there, respected the second time, bounced off, made a very small fake out here, took some stop losses, and then Bitcoin started to push to the upside one more time. So I think the highest you can actually go is maybe to 99k and then go down to actually $91,000. Now from 99k, I think that's going to be a drop of nearly 7.74%. So let me give you more details regarding this fall that I see happening for Bitcoin, and that is on the CME gap. Why do I say coming up to 99 and then going down to 91? Of course you're going to move to 98. There is a reason for that one. So number one is actually not number one, this is the only reason. So yeah, let's do a future CME gap right in here. So if I do show you, this is a mysterious discovery that I find out, and there's 2 points that you can see. If you want to pause the video, do that and actually try to see what is happening in here. So what's happening is that Bitcoin has this gap, and that is between 98 and 96. So you're definitely moving up here. So you can drop even from 98 or just continue to the highest part, which is 99, of course, as you can see, and that is because this is a trend line. Okay, so that's a trend line for Bitcoin. Go to the highest part of the trend line, maybe even touch 100k. As soon as you do that, you have this gap between 94 and 91.70. All right, so fill the first gap to the upside and then come down to fill the second gap to the downside. That's the plan. That's the plan. I've told you so. And that's pretty much it for the quick update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.